Hi, good evening everyone. This is Mr. Ong here and welcome to another video on Mr. Ong Maths Lessons. In today's video, we are going to show you 3 shortcut methods on how to square any 2-digit number. Enjoy and cheers everyone. So let's go. So now we are going to do there are 3 methods. The first method is called squaring of 2-digit numbers where the second number ends with number 5. So for example, 65, 85, the second digit is a 5. So this is very simple. So what you do, 65 times 65. So 65 squared is 65 multiplied by 65. So the first step you do, you are going to multiply 5 with 5. So the last 2 digits is going to be 25. No matter all the answers for a number that ends with a 5 will come up with 25. The next part is that it's interesting. Instead of 6 times 6, you're just going to add one more. So instead of 6 times 6, you're going to add 6 times 7, and the answer is going to be 42. 4, 2, 2, 5. Check in the calculator, and I'm sure it is right. You do another example now. The second example is 85 squared. It's the same as 85 multiplied by 85. Again, as I said before, 5 times 5 is going to be 25. The last 2 numbers digit is going to be 25. And then 8 times 8, instead of 8 times 8, you're going to add one more. So instead of 8 times 8, you're going to multiply 8 by 9. So the answer is going to be 72. So again, check your calculator, and I'm pretty sure it is right. Not too bad, right? Great. Now we are going to do the second example. The second example is when the digit is slightly larger than 50, and for 2b, the number is slightly less than 50. So for example, if we have 54 squared, that means what we're going to do is that 54 is 4 more than 50. Okay, so the last two digit is going to be the square of this number. So 54 is 4 more than 50. So 4 squared is going to be 16. So the last 2 digit is going to be 16. So the next thing you're going to do is that because 50, you take half of 50, is going to be 25. So you add 4 to it. So 25 plus 4 is going to give you 29. So that number is going to be 2916. So that should be the answer. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, we do another example to make it clear. Okay, so now 58 is 8 more than 50. So what you do? The last 2 digits, you just take 8 times 8 is going to be 64. So that will be your last 2 digits. Your first 2 digits, 8, you're going to add 25 plus 8. Just remember, 25 is half of 50. So 28 plus 8, the answer is going to be 33. So that answer, just put it in the first 2 digits, and that will be an answer. Try in your calculator. Don't believe me? Have a go. Okay? Great. Now we are going to do slightly less than 50. Okay? So slightly less than 50, the same. So 50 minus 47 is going to be minus 3. Okay? So what you do, you're going to find the last 2 digits. Minus 3, you square it, it's going to be 9. Instead of 9, you put 09. It has to be a 2-digit number. And now you're going to minus 3. So you're going to be 25 minus 3 is going to be 22. And what you do, you're going to put it down over here. And the answer is 2209. Amazing, isn't it? Great. Now we shall do another example. Okay? So 43, to make it 50, is minus 7. So the last 2 digits is going to be minus 7 squared. That will give you 49. Okay? Then what you do now? So minus 7, so 25 minus 7. If you are good mentally in calculation, then you're going to be 25 minus 7 is going to be 18. So the answer should be 18. So 1, 8, 4, 9. Okay, have a go. If you don't believe me, you can check. The answer is 1849. Okay, and the last but not least, what happens if the number is not near 50, doesn't end with 5? Now we're going to teach you a great method, which is called squaring of any 2-digit number. Okay, listen carefully. So what you do, the first thing you do, you're going to have a 2-digit number. So you take 8 squared is 64, and then 6 squared is 36. That is not the answer. The second step, you are going to multiply everything number in the column there. 6 times 8 is 48, times 2 is 96. So what you do, you're going to put 96 down here, and you're going to add them up. So 4, the 0 here, 4, 6 plus 6 is 12, carry up 1, 16, carry up 1, and the answer is 4624. Have a go, put in your calculator, and I believe this is right. Okay, now the last but not least, 39. Again, 39 squared. So what you do, there are 2 digits. 9 squared is 81. And then you have 3 squared. You have the 2-digit number. Instead of 9, you put 09. So far, so good? Great. Now what you do, you are going to multiply all the numbers. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 times 2 is 54. So you put 54 in the middle there. Okay. Then the last step, you're going to add them up. Put a 0 there. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry up 1. That's 10, 15. Carry up 1 and 15. 1, 5, 2, 1. This is an awesome method. Faster method is a shortcut method. So hopefully you learn the 3 method. I repeat, the first method is when you square 2-digit number when it is the last digit is a 5. Second, A and B is when the number is close to 50. And last but not least, you can square any 2-digit number using this method. And I personally like this method. So if you remember this method itself, you can multiply any 2-digit number, you'll be great. So good luck, have a good day, and have a good weekend, everyone, and see you soon. Cheers.